Okay. So hello everyone. Thank you everyone for joining in on time actually, and thank you Tarveen for joining us and being a part of the development journey of our teachers. So before we start our webinar, a short introduction of Tarveen, like who she is. I came across Tarveen through a webinar. She had hosted a live session on Facebook on Hastakshar with Neha. So I was very impressed by the way she convinced. Otherwise, like it was, I myself was not into that much of grooming and makeup and stuff like that. But the way she portrayed that how your image matters, okay, so that really brought a deep impact. It was very impactful. And then I thought, okay, why not to introduce such useful sessions for all my teachers. Okay, so let me start with the short introduction of Tarveen. Okay, Ms. Tarveen Kaur is the founder of Personify. She is a contemporary visionary who knows the importance of social skills, etiquette, and image branding for personal, professional, and social success. She has a vast experience in training and working closely with corporates, educational institutions, and several global brands, government organizations, beauty pageants, etc., and individuals from all walks of life. Spreading her work globally, Ms. Kaur is also on the panel of international image consultants based in Milan, Italy. Marking her presence as an expert in the field of image, etiquette, and brand consulting, Ms. Kaur has addressed various international forums as a prominent speaker and has been a part of several institutions as their esteemed jury on the panel. So we are not only me, but all our teachers are very privileged, such an international image consultant. And over to you, Tarveen. Without wasting much of the time, over
the spot, on the spontaneous way, how well can you answer? Because when we are prepared for a question, it's easy to answer. So a lot of when we prepare for these interview questions which are available on Google, okay, these are the kind of standard interview questions they ask. But when there's an impromptu question asked to you, we don't know. Like I said, talking about yourself should be the easiest part, but it becomes the most challenging thing. So again, you speak. So that is called your elevator pitch, which I will give you some key points in the communication class, because that is going to be more about dialogue and speech and everything, which is basically like a commercial, that 10-second, 30 seconds commercial about yourself. And that 10-second, 30-second commercial means what you're telling them quickly is about so in an interview it will vary, and in a semi-formal kind of way of introducing, like a parent say, okay, tell us something, you don't have to give them you're taking your interview. So how do you say? So for example, in an interview, when you have to say, there for sure you will tell them, of course, start again, even though they know your name, always start again with your name and with that smile and with that confidence and proud, and say something. So say, to add to my personality, I would say that this is I'm somebody who works with a lot of integrity. So they want to know certain qualities, that you're a team player, you have a lot of integrity, or your willingness to go, I have the willingness to go an extra mile till I get my result and outcome. These kind of things, what I asked you, what you all want to get from this future, what do you want to learn and everything. So if you go back to your questions which I asked you all in the form, is really, if you are able to modify some of that and make it into a more empowering and impressive way, and answer more like already a high level professional, it will give you an answer how to introduce yourself. That question is basically really a kind of a semi-interview question, for that was an idea for me to know that, people whom I am working with, what are they right now thinking of their image? How do they see themselves?
Thanks a lot. That was really great. And there's one more question that I'd like to ask is, like, since you said about, I really like that point which you said that, personality is not something that you do one day and you don't do another day. That really made sense in my situation, because sometimes, you have good days and you have bad days, and then you feel, okay, it's my bad day, so it's okay. But actually it's not okay. So that's like,
we can go a little more deeper on that. We can expand on that. You would like to know more on that, if you can just send an email, so on the maximum majority what we have, we will take that up. Once again, I'm really delighted to see your response, your participation, your enthusiasm. That makes me very elated. So I'm going to have a great Sunday evening. I wish you all a fabulous Sunday evening ahead.
Thank you so much, Savin ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sarveen, for enlightening all the teachers. It was much needed. So I was just planning this like 1 or 2 months back, but I was not finding the right person. So I happened to talk to Neha, and she got me connected to you. So I'm sure everyone is like very happy with the session. And apart from that, I will be asking.
Yes.